This is gonna be kind of tough because I am so hot. I wish I had a fan, but I don't. Oh, I'm gonna try to get through my makeup without sweating. What am I talking about? I'm already sweating. So we're just gonna try to get through this as quickly as possible so I can go in a room that has a fan. So welcome back to my channel. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe down below and turn on the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime with my Josie Maran Moonstone drops. Today I am actually getting ready for Memphis Fashion Week and I want to do my makeup to match my dress kinda. I almost want to do something like cool with graphic liner because my dress has like, it looks like a painting. My dress is right over here, that's why I'm looking over there. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the Lancôme Teint Idole. I really want to use the Josie Maran Vibrancy foundation that you guys just saw in my review, but it does have a little bit of flashback, and I know this one doesn't in a dark situation and in regular daylight, and I don't really know the photography situation. Now I'm actually going to apply it to the back of my hand because I really want a lighter application of this foundation. So I just kind of want to dot it on and then blend it in with my sponge and build as needed as opposed to blending in all the foundation that I put on my face initially. Then for concealer, I'm going to use the Naked Skin Concealer and just blend this kind of the same way. I'm gonna put most of it just underneath my eyes, and then whatever is left over I'm going to bring to the other areas on my face that I highlight. Okay, and then I'm going to switch over to brows. I'm using the Thrive Causemetics Infinity Waterproof Eyebrow Liner in the shade Audrey. Some days I quickly do my brows, other days it takes like 3 hours. Today was that day. Okay, for this look, I'm going to do a mixture of the Petite Heat and the Sigma Warm Neutrals Volume 2. When I was looking for this palette on the website, it's gone now. So I'm not sure if it was, I thought it was permanent. I didn't think it was limited edition, but I'm going to figure that out for you guys and update the description box on whether or not it's limited edition. The first thing I'm going to do is apply Hot Spell in the crease. And I don't really feel like setting my eyelids today. Hope I'm not gonna regret that. And then I'm going to go in with Wild Thing with a smaller brush and really focus this orange because there's orange in the dress. So I'm really gonna focus this in the outer corner, just build that up. The same thing on this eye, just really build it up. And the small brush that I'm using is the Sigma E38. Pretty much just packing on that eyeshadow to the outer V. And then taking the first brush and just blending the edges. Trying not to blend away like the intensity of the shadow. Just making sure the edges aren't harsh. And then for the lid, I'm going in with Rouge, the shade. It's pretty much a red shade. I'm just gonna apply this on the empty spot on my lid. And then for the lower lash line, I'm just going to pretty much just smoke the orange down here. In the waterline, I'm going to put black liner. This is from Urban Decay. No, I like totally missed my waterline. I've done that before. I don't understand how I keep doing that. Now I gotta match it. And just add a little bit more of that orange. This lower lash line was not supposed to be this smoky. Now I'm going to go in with the Almay pen eyeliner. And this liner, pretty much the tip of it is like a ballpoint pen. So when I first saw this, I was kind of thinking, how am I going to get a sharp cat eye? But it's actually not too bad. I actually think this is pretty good on my first try. Now this is my second try, and it's easier to work with because the tip actually performs like a pen. Some felt tip liners or pen liners are just a little too flimsy, I guess you could say. And this one is pretty much exactly how I want it. And it's so easy to control. So I'm kind of wanting to do like one line and then like the second line lower, almost like a actual wing, like for a bird. That's kind of how I want it. You see how I made that sharp even with the ballpoint? Maybe I'll connect it here. So I'm pretty much winging this part. Like I didn't really think this through. I'm just kind of doing it. So yeah, I think I like how that looks. Yay! I feel so creative, even though I'm sure this has been done before. But I feel creative. So now for lashes, I kind of have to choose something that doesn't hide the liner. Okay, for mascara, I'm going to apply the Maybelline Big Shot in Shayla Collaboration Mascara. Okay, for bronzer slash contour, because it is more of a cool tone shade, I'm using the NYX Cosmetics bronzer in the shade EOS. You know what? I just realized I did not set my concealer. Okay. Let's do that. Actually, you know what? Let me go back in with a little bit of the concealer, kind of clean up the shadow underneath here, give it a more bold look. I'm probably gonna darken up my brows too. Who remembers this song? Back to bronzer. And then for highlights, I'm using the MAC Hyper Real Glow palette. I'm using this shade right here. And for the blush, the MAC PatrickStarrr Take Me Home blush. And I'm using the same highlight I used on my face, and this may have had some pink on it because it looks slightly pink to me. That's alright. So the boldness is on the eyes, so I think I'm gonna keep it pretty neutral on the lips. So let's go in with NYX Espresso. For lipstick, I'm going to use Fuel 2.0 by Urban Decay. On top, I'm going to use Urban Decay Midnight Cowgirl lip gloss. So I changed the lashes to Huda Beauty Farrah. I think they're Huda Beauty Farrah. They were gifted to me. So yeah, I think I like the look a lot better. But honestly, when I first sat down, I was like, I don't want to wear a lot of makeup. I just want some graphic liner. And now I feel like I have on a lot of makeup. But anyway, it's okay. So I'm just gonna spray my face with the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. And this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me video. Make sure that you thumbs up, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.
Talking in my sleep at night, making myself crazy.